Go ahead and flush that. Okay. This is a Ford Escape.
I'm gonna have to remember that.
And we got a problem here. It's got a CD4E transmission. The problem is this bar
Billy.
that goes underneath this
And you can put this back on.
transmission here is connected to this part of the frame by the radiator. Got two bolts here, but this is completely rusted. Just sitting there. Just sitting there. And this needs to be reinforced. Those who work down south, y'all don't have to worry about this rusted stuff. Up north we have to, so this has to be reinforced so that this doesn't fall. Something has to be welded there. It's broken all here. And right over to here, that's no good either. All through there. So what we're doing is taking the transmission out, but this here still is no good. Okay, want to show that so the customer can see. A lot of oil. We got a bad engine oil leak also. I guess a piece of angle can be attached to this part, and it's going to have to go all the way over to this part. So we'll have to kind of remake that middle and reinforce it. But that's not any good. Got a mount that's sitting on top of here. This can drop down at any moment. All right. Again, this is a Ford Escape. CD4E transmission. What year is this? It's a 2003.